As of now, what we are given to believe is that this is a major crackdown by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and they want to actually find out the links of Ria's brother and also confront him with some technical evidence that shows his links with drug dealers. And this is something that the NCB is actively working upon. Let's go across to our editor internal security, Nikunj Garg, who's joining me on the phone line now with more inputs on this. Nikunj, what are you picking up from the NCB on their work when it comes to establishing a link between Ria's family and some of the drug dealers and suppliers in the city?
Well, Preeti, I can now report to you that there is a tectonic shift in the investigations being done so far. The Narcotics Control Bureau, and it is their claim, it is not the claim of Times Now, but it is their claim that they have found first criminal culpability of the members of inner ring of Ms. Ria Chakravarti. NCB is claiming that her brother, which is as close to her as it can get in this case, has been actively in touch with some very big and serious players in the drug cartel operating in Mumbai. And this, on the basis of this, they have arrested one individual called Zahid. So there is one individual who will from now on stand trial in a court of law on the charges of criminal culpability for the first time in this case. Remember, in the CBI's FIR taken over from Bihar, there is no criminal culpability proven yet. Enforcement Directorate, largely according to the reports, has not yet found any large-scale financial transactions to nail Mr. Ria Chakravarti. But the Narcotics Control Bureau, for the first time, going on record, saying that they have proof of an individual who was supplying drugs to two individuals linked to Mr. Shobhit Chakravarti with technical evidence, which means that once this individual stands trial, at some point in time, Mr. Shobhit Chakravarti and two of his associates through which he was procuring drugs will also have to stand trial. And even if those charges are under the NDPS Act for the consumption of drugs, Mr. Shobhit Chakravarti will have to testify whether he was procuring or only consuming drugs. The big news point that we can inform to our viewers is that a drug cartel link to the inner circle of Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput days before he died is now coming to the fore, and Narcotics Control Bureau claims that with the help of some technical evidence, it has in its custody an individual who will testify in a court of law that there was certainly drugs being procured and consumed by the people of the inner circle of Ms. Ria Chakravarti and individual.
All right, so that clearly means trouble is mounting for Ria Chakravarti's family, those who are close in her inner circle. We will continue to track the latest with you on this front later as well. Nikunj, for the moment, thanks very much. We have to take a quick break here on Morning News Hour. When we return, we'll get to our viewers the latest that we are picking up on Sushant Singh's death case probe. Keep watching Times Now.